Here's your fast stock market update. We've had another incredible week in the stock market. Of course, there's been volatility, but Nvidia's stock came in and its figures were really good. First of all, when they said that one of their new chips is going to be slightly delayed, market fell. But guess what? Lots of people buyers. Right now, if we look at the stock market, there's 6 trillion, highest amount ever in fixed interest. Think about it as a wall of money. As interest rates come down, they're getting 5% right now. That goes down, as it will. Fed are going to decrease interest rates in the month of September. Money's coming out of those accounts, going in the market. Okay, we're in a situation whereby there's a rally of a lifetime. Why? The world's becoming more effective, companies are becoming more effective, and if you're an investor, there's definitely opportunities. What's to worry about? There's always something to worry about. What's to worry about right now? Company expectation, figures from investors. They're expecting good growth, good returns, Fed to reduce rates. What's to worry about? Well, rates are going to come down at some stage, probably in September, highly likely, and maybe again towards the end of the year. Okay, if they don't, then of course you could get a fall in the market. It's predicted, it's likely. That's the one that perhaps would be a worry to the marketplace. Or does the economy fall off faster than expected? Again, that would cause volatility. Right now, however, you've got a world more effective, more people using AI, more companies using tech. Okay, whilst that's happening, you're likely to have a continuing market doing well, making you money for your future.